Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Guys, today I'm on my way to St Petersburg. I'm hoping you'll be able to join me and stay with me throughout this journey as I go in search of hidden gems. Guys, it's a totally gorgeous day. Guys, let's check out this Caribbean restaurant. The name says Timbambo. There is a Timbambo in Jamaica. I'm sure there must be some affiliation. But you know what, guys? I love the colors, red, green, and gold, the Rastafarian colors that they use. Also, this huge, awe-inspiring portrait of the legend himself. Guys, let's check out the inside of this restaurant and see what's going on. Hello, good afternoon. I saw this sign from the street and I thought I would stop by. How are you today?
I'm very good, thank you.
Good. What attracted me to this place was the fact that it's a Jamaican named restaurant.
Yes, it is.
And you work here? You're the proprietor?
I'm the owner.
Oh, very good. Can you tell us about how you get your business started?
Well, it's a whole lot to get started.
Yes.
You have to have everything on point.
Yes.
From the license
Yes.
to the color of the building, the food, everything.
Okay. And you've been here at this location for how?
3 years.
3 years. How has those 3 years been?
Great.
Yes, business has been good.
Very, very good.
And your patronage has come from
Port Antonio, Jamaica.
Okay. Good. What inspired you though to start a Jamaican restaurant?
Well, my Jamaican people need to have good food.
Oh, amen to that. I will say amen to that.
Amen.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is authentic.
Yes.
Everything here is authentic.
Yes.
From the patties to the cakes to the drops, everything here.
Everything. Very.
Food, everything.
Yes.
All
Yes.
Jamaican seasoning.
Yes.
All Jamaican people.
Yes. I noticed from the name though that I am familiar with a tea bamboo in Port Antonio. Is there any affiliation to that
Yes, it
tea
is.
bamboo?
My brother is at Bamboo.
Okay.
Bamboo in Port Antonio, and I
Right.
took that and put it tea bamboo here.
What's the significance though of the
Little
name?
bamboo.
Little bamboo.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yes, that's
Interesting,
it.
guys. Interesting.
Yeah.
So you sell just Jamaican?
All Jamaican
Bacon.
products. Everything
Great.
here is Jamaican.
Great. Awesome.
Coconut water, ting, Jamaican D&G, Jamaican champagne, Jamaican pineapple ginger, Jamaican fruit punch, and I do have homemade drinks as well.
Wow. Like what?
Homemade pineapple, homemade fruit punch, cereals.
Oh,
Yes.
very nice.
Carrot
Very nice.
juice,
Yes.
With ginger or with
Milk. Yes.
You know
Awesome.
how we
Awesome.
do it.
Oh yes,
Yes,
definitely,
we have
definitely.
we have ackee and salvage, we have callaloo, we have festival. We also have dumplings, boiled or fried up.
Plains, yes. And in terms of sourcing your food supply, do you have any challenges with that?
No challenges.
Okay, okay. All right. It really looks impressive, I'm telling you. And I see you also have Uber Eats.
Uber Eats, DoorDash. And
DoorDash. Okay, okay. You're on point.
Yes,
I can
I am.
tell. Yes. Is there anything about the business that you, how many staff members do you have?
At the present moment, I have 5.
You have 5. Okay. They're all Jamaican as well?
All Jamaican.
All right, all right. Is there anything you want to share with our viewers today about your restaurant? Are you?
All you gotta do, come on and try my food. It's great.
Yeah, you were talking to me off air earlier, and you mentioned that you actually went to nursing school.
Yes, I did.
Um,
You met.
Yes. What made you?
Go online and look on ABC Action News. You'll see all my interview and you'll see everything that's pertaining to me.
Yes, but what made you switch though from nursing into being
I'm
a
still
proprietor?
doing it.
Oh, you're still in it, so
I am.
you're do the balancing act
Yes.
of restaurateur.
When my workers aren't present, I'm here to do my business.
Okay, okay, very good. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
Any last words for our viewers though?
Come on in and enjoy.
There you go, guys. You heard it. Come on in and enjoy. And this location is on
94th and MLK. It's 9291 Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Street.
All right.
And on the 25th of August coming up, we'll be having a fish fry all day. Come on in, music, entertainment. Come on in.
All right, guys. You heard it. You have an open invitation.
Yes.
All right. Until next time, guys. Ciao. Guys, may I tell you, I'm definitely gonna try some of this food. It smells good and it looks good. I wanna bet it tastes good.